will be the timer. Okay.
I'm gonna walk right in this way.
Yeah, so we'll see, we're ready. Okay, set, go. We are doing BUN procedure, which is a different method because we're doing kinetic reaction, means the reaction actually doesn't stop, so we are measuring the rate of the reaction here. We have a timer, we have our cuvettes, which we should put in this direction. So we have blank, water, then 2 ml working reagent that we made. It was sitting around for 30 minutes. And I want to put corresponding controls right here, the patient, and the standard. I still missing a standard bottle. And I'm going to open this so I'm ready to pipette. So now we need to measure blank. In this screen, we need to press enter. It's not a touch screen. It will bring us to the wavelength, and we need to set it to 340 for BUN. And just say enter. And we're gonna say measure blank. And make sure you push on it. This one slightly unhinged. And it is a 0. So you just wanna make sure it's a 0 or just 001 or minus 0.001. So slightly off 0, it's okay. So now we didn't put it in. Duh. 0. That would be a big difference, isn't it?
Yeah.
That was a good teaching moment. Don't put. Okay, now it's definitely 0. All right, so I'm gonna actually put it right there, our standard. So that means I need a standard, which the standard is 30 mg per dl concentration. And here we have a pipette. That pipette's 20 microliter. We want to make sure we don't go past the second step. So slightly. It's first step. This is the second step. So I'm gonna put the tip. First step. And then to pipette in there, go past second. Start the timer. It's okay, we did 2 minutes, but we're gonna pay attention to it. And we're just waiting while it's doing its thing. We can close it. So I should have set it for a minute, but I set it for 2 minutes, but it's okay. We're just waiting for it to say 1:30 because we are gonna measure it only at the 30-second. And I'm gonna close my standard so it doesn't spill. And it's
There you go.
done. So we need a paper. Somebody write down. Our standard is 1.5646. 1.646. And it keeps going. So now we're gonna wait till it says 100, which would be a 60 seconds pass, and we're gonna be better. The first number was wrong because I wasn't pushing. So I really want to push on it, make sure it's shut. Okay, now it's 1.629. 1.629. All right, so now we can relax. Okay. This one's done. Then we're gonna do the same thing here. Right, and I wanna do this so I don't forget I did this, right? So put your level 1 here. Should set this for a minute, right? So I'm gonna pipette and somebody press the button. And now we're gonna only measure it at 30 seconds. And technically you can do it yourself if you have your pen and paper here and you can just write down your thing. And can we have it? So control 1, absorbance 1 at 30 seconds.
1.667.
And now we wait for it to ring. It is longer when you're looking at the time. So this is a continuous reaction. It keeps going, it doesn't stop, and the rate of this reaction will be proportional to the concentration.
1.659.
1.659. And then after that, we would subtract this minus this and then write it in here. Let's just continue doing it, but we don't have to record anymore. We're going to do the same thing for the rest of the specimens.